Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to get an overdraft with Metro Bank, so you can have that extra buffer for your account when you need it. So first things first, you need to have a Metro Bank current account. So if you don't have one already, you can easily open it up on the Metro Bank website or by visiting a branch. So once your account is active, you can then apply for an overdraft online. So simply head over to the Metro Bank online banking portal and log in with your credentials. And once you're in, you will then have to look for the overdraft section. And it should be pretty easy to find. So from there, you will then be able to see your current account information. And you'll also be able to check your eligibility for an overdraft. So Metro Bank may ask you a few questions about your income and spending to determine how much of an overdraft you can be approved for. So fill in the details honestly, because this helps them set up the right limit for you. And after submitting your application, Metro Bank will review it, and in most cases, you might get an instant decision. And if approved, your overdraft limit will be added to your account automatically. You'll also be able to see all the fees and terms associated with it. And that's it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.